Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can use CapCut. So CapCut is a AI powered video editor, or actually not AI powered, it is a powerful by itself. So you can create a creative video by using CapCut video editor actually, and most of the creator and most of people that are professional in video editor actually use CapCut to create some amazing videos. So first, if you want to download it, you have to go to the CapCut.com and you have to simply download it from here. Simply click on this download button and it will download the setup file, and after simply click on that setup file like this. I'm going to download it. Here you can see downloading. Now here is the setup file. If you tap on the setup file, then it will start installing your CapCut editor application. Now I have just already downloaded this CapCut editor application, and here it is. So it will look like this. So your default will be like this type of something, like this, or this type of something. So you can actually, here you can find the first window, the second, third, and the fourth. So first one will actually get some tools here that will help you to edit your videos. Here you can upload or import. Actually you can import some your core videos, your core medias. You can add some audios from here. You can get some audios that you can add your own audios from here. You can import it from your file manager, or you can add some music from here like this, the stock music. So for that you have to get the pro version, and you can find different categories. It has just divided in different categories. You can get some sound effects. There's also some categories here. You can also check for the copyright if you have any music that you doubted for copyright claim. So here in media you can also get some stock media or AI media that you can describe what you want. So it will generate the image, text to image. Actually this is a text to image model, so you can use it, or you can actually go with this library or specific your space. You can sign in to access your online spaces, and the library here that will that will give you some stock images or the videos that you can use in your video. Now here is the text where you can add some text here. So let me add my own video here. So you have to simply click on import and you can import a video. So this is actually one of my videos, so I'm going to add it like this. You can drag and drop it. Now let me show you, this is actually your track window where you can find your all the video, audios, and overlays here, and this is actually the player, and this is the details window where you can find all the details about that, and you can get some more tools for this video if you click on that video here. So here is audio section, and here is the text where you can add some text here. If you have it, then you can simply click on this plus button here, or you can just drag and drop it here, and you can set the length of the text also on your video. So I'm going to increase it this, and if you want to edit it, then here is the section where you can edit your text. So here I'm going to text it like hello world, and that's how you can add it. And now you can change the font style here. So I'm going to add a font style. So you can adjust the placement from here, like here I'm going to place it here. Now you can change the color of that texture like this, or gray color, anything you want. So I want this color here. So you can also get some style of the texture like this present style here. You can set some style here. So that's pretty cool, right? Right here you can add more of them like this and more of available. So this one is pretty cool, right? It has the glow effect, and from here you can find more transfer, and it is the positioning scale that you can set up to set your text not manually by your scale. You can add it in anywhere you want. Now here is the opacity that will help you to set up the opacity of your text here. Then here is some bubble here that you can use, and here is some effects that actually help you to create some incredible and creative texture. So for just like this, it will actually overglow it, and here is animation that you can use to make your text live. Here is like this is pretty cool, right? So you can just simply add that, and from here you can go with this section here. and you can find stickers and some effects here, and here is the magic happens. So different types of effects you can use in videos that can make your video most interesting. So for example, these black flashes, so I can add that here. So it like this one, and you can use this all of this actually this let me show you this all of these effect here. So some are pro and some are free, so you can use that free one also, and you can make blur your video blur, and there's lots of effects here. This actually one category, but there's more category like pro, opening and closing scene, nightclub, dance, more of them here. Also you can add some body effects if you want, so you can find different types of body effect as from here. So it's pretty much cool, right? So you can like use this electro border here or anything. Now from here you can find the transition, so you can add some transition between the clips. So I can just split it. So here is a transition. So if, for example, if I split it, so here is a split option. So if I add it like just like this, just transition here between these two option, just like this, it will show up like this. So you can find different types of transition, and here is different types of category that you can use. Now here is the caption. So it works actually make a caption on your video, so it will actually detect your audio of that video or the speech on your video, so it will just convert it into a caption or subtitle on your video. Here is some filters that you can use to make your video look good here. So that's pretty much cool. There is some cool filters available, and also the collection is huge here. Now the adjustment, so you can make some custom adjustment if you want. So you can adjust the color, adjust the brightness, adjust the saturation, the vibrance, the contrast, and the tint also. So from here I'm now let's go forward to this section. This actually the selection tool where you can add the select, or you can make it that cursor to split. If you select it, so it will work as split. You can just simply one click and it will allow you to make split here. So I'm going to undo all of this. Now here is select forward. If you can just select it forward here. So if I just make it crease, so it will just help us to go forward. So just like this. Or if it is select rightward, so you can go with that. Just add if it's much bigger, then you can select this one. Now I'm going to select this one, the cursor here. Now this is the undo button and this is the redo button. You can use Ctrl+Z to undo the changes, and you can reset it by simply click on Ctrl+Shift+Z here. Now this is the actually the split button here. So if you simply tap on Ctrl+B, so it will split that that clip from here. So it is actually the indicator, the yellow line you can see that it is actually the indicator. You can move it to anywhere, and you can make changes without clicking on it. You can simply like this. My main indicator is here, and the changes indicator is here. So if I simply click on Ctrl+B, so it will split that from this section, not this section. So if you click or single click on this yellow bar here, so the main indicator or main scale will become here at that yellow point. So that's how you can just do it. And this is actually delete, so it will actually split that clip, and it will delete the left side clip. And if you simply go with this one, it will actually disappear the right side of part of your clip. Now here it is the delete, so you have to select a clip from here. Now you can delete it by simply tap on this delete icon here, and here is the mark icon. You can add mark in important part here. Now here is the freeze, so you can freeze a frame from here like this. It's like this. I have just freeze a frame here, just like this. So you can freeze a frame from here. You can make it reverse here, or you can make it mirror. You can just change the side of it. Like I have just added the mirror here. Also you can rotate it like this, and also you can crop the video according to your need. And from here, if you click on this clip, you choose it. Now let's head to this detailed section. Now select a clip. Now you can find some settings that you can make, like video settings. And video have these 4 settings, like basic, remove video, or mask, or retouch here. So here you can see some advanced feature. So here is the scale that will help you to make that video, to adjust the video size. So 100 is the default size here. So, and here is the positioning that you can use, and there's the remove background feature. You can use the chroma key. So here is a tip that if you want to use the free feature, then you can use the chroma key to remove your background. So make sure that you have one color, a solid color background, so it can remove your background from here on your from your image or from your video. And here is a mask. So here also are tips for you that if you want to blend multiple videos, so you can use that mask here, and you can use the feather here just like this. You can add the feather here, so it will just look like this. So you can use that feather, or there's different types of mask that available you can use. Here is the speed. So here you can select the speed of that video if you want, so like this clip here. So you can select the speed here. You can make it double or triple time, 3 times or 4 times more, and you can find the duration here, or you can speed up according to your expected duration. So here is a tips for you. You can actually use this curve session here. For example, you can get that custom. So if you move it up, so it will make the speed, it will speed up that video. And if you just make it down, so it will just slow down that video here. So make it like this, and just connect it, and let's see how you can, just like this. It will just fast and slow. Also you can find that let me show you, find some presets here like montage. So you can add some montage here, so just like this. And yes, it's pretty much cool actually, I think. Now let's go to the animations. So here you can add some animations, so it will look cool here. So most of them are actually paid, so but you can use some free of them, like this feature. Let me show you the fading. So fading feature, you can simply add this and fading. So here you can see it has just added the fading feature here, just like this. So it's pretty much cool here. So you can find the adjustment also, that you can adjust the color of them. And here is the AI style. You can simply add them, simply turn on the AI style. So it will allow you to add some photos with AI styles there. So here is that you can use this caption here to get some subtitles here. And I have just some, here is something that make sure that you have set it to auto turn on this auto snapping, so it will actually stick together like this, and it's pretty much helpful. And also make it to main track magnet, and actually main track magnet is that, and it is actually auto snapping, so you can actually place it to the exact size, just like this. This green line, actually this is happening for that. So you can just get that, and you can select the ratio from here. So here is the original ratio, or you can get 16:9, that is actually YouTube ratio. And here is the short ratio, and also like Instagram post ratio, anything. So from here you can go, you can do anything. And here is the menu where you can find settings here. So if I have just show you some settings, that is actually, there is edit settings, like set it this frame rate to 60 fps, and here is some performance. So make sure that you have selected these two, and this option enable. And also you can select the sound output from here, and make sure that you have clear this cache every time you after a time or date here. So back to it, there's a pro version here. So let me just delete all of things here from here. So I'm going to add my details here. Now if you want to export it, you can simply click on export, and you can find the settings here. So you can export around up to 4K resolution, and with that encoder you can find codec here, different type of codec here, and you can find the frame rate, so you can upload export that video with 60 fps. Now you can simply click on export, and here you can see it, this video is already exported. So it depends on the video length and the edit. If you done any heavy edit and the video length is long, so it will take a time to export that video. So that's all about CapCut, how you can edit your video. So it's actually up to you how you can organize your video, and that's all, pretty much all thing about the tools, and there's some tips and tricks I have just already included in the video, so you can follow and focus all the editing. So thanks for watching, till next time.